As you can tell, boys and girls, from our outfits today, we're being butchers.
Yes.
We're gonna show you how to bisect a side of pork.
And I'll tell you how to strip a spine out of a pig in 30 seconds flat. But first,
First, we're going to do some science experiments. Explosive science. STEM, so it's educational.
STEM research.
No,
Are we dealing with a STEM research?
That's what they say now. I don't know what it means, but they kind of go, "Oh, STEM is really important for kids." What does it mean?
Science for you. Oh, it stands
STEM.
for science, technology, engineering, and maths.
So SWATs. It's basically what SWAT's like.
What does SWAT mean?
SWATs are like swatty kids.
But what does SWAT
Nerds.
stand for?
SWOT. Sexy wankers on...
Tiffin. Right. So this is an educational toy that boosts your brain power, concentration,
Literally.
creativity, vocabulary,
Reasoning.
Will you couldn't get that word out.
You can the irony.
Reasoning, learning. All right.
It says find out how to create a fantastic rocket with a chemical reaction.
I like
prepare fizzy bombs. Observe colour explosions and make a fun explosive bag. My mother has one of those. She forgets to empty it. Pierce a balloon without it popping.
Oh, that's
Sorry,
a good
Mum.
magic trick. I like that. That's a
Yeah,
little look.
I know how to do that already though.
Do you?
Yeah.
It's just a magic trick, isn't it? For
Coffee
ages.
went up my nose then. How's that for an experiment? Right, let's open it up. Science for you. Oh, well, there's a good start. Kaboom.
Bang!
Boom.
Bang.
Oh, so this has got everything we need, apparently. It's already got some...
Goggles, more
some
goggles.
Yeah, but they're going to be goggles for a child or...
Well, that'll fit your narrow, childish head then, won't it?
I think we both know who has the bigger brain here.
This is Rich coming from a man who bought indoor fireworks that weren't indoor and then spoofed his foamy load all over my Who Wants to Be a Millionaire game.
That's out of context. That was one hell of a phrase.
I hope you just put that episode out before this, otherwise
Yeah.
no one's going to know what's going on.
So, did you know? Here's
Did you
here's
know?
some facts. Did you know?
Did you know?
Oh, we should do that as a segment. Did you know?
Did you know?
Did you know
Fact hunt.
that science can
Yeah.
also be explosive?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not much of a fact.
No.
Did you know
Did you know?
that an explosion can occur due to an exothermic chemical reaction?
Yes. Did you know? How?
Did
And
you
that's
know?
How for now.
Oh,
Remember that?
yes. How?
Fred Digence.
Yeah.
Is it Fred Digence?
Dinage.
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 Who was the other one on that?
Well, in the later version, it
The
was
90s
it was Vorderman and Gareth Jones.
Dear Carol Vorderman, I love you. Will you touch my panty?
Your panny?
My panty.
What is your panny?
You'll find
Is
out.
it your mons pubis?
No, it's my man fanny.
Wouldn't that be a manny?
No, because it's penis. So it's my panty.
God, it sounds like something you'd order from an Indian restaurant.
Oh, I would like a 2 pannies, please.
Anyway, did you know that
Yeah.
there is a place in the United States of America where,
Yeah.
where there are more than 10,000 geezers?
Geezers. You mean old men? You go,
Yeah,
"Hello,
exactly.
darling." Or do you mean geysers?
Geezers.
Geysers. Can we do a test? Experiments.
Experiments. This is a very confusing
Well, that's
book.
what the glossary at the beginning does for you,
What?
doesn't it? It tells you-
Glossary?
Experiment 1.
The
The dance
dance of
of colours.
Right, should we do the dance of colours?
I don't know. Let's see what it does.
All right, right.
Let's do something that goes bang. Fizzy bombs.
Right, experiment 5. Fizzy bombs.
What do we need?
Ask an adult for help.
Will you help me?
Yes. Will you help me?
Yes.
We've followed the instructions. Right, we need measure 5 millimeters of citric acid.
Have you got citric acid?
Well, apparently it all comes with it. What's in there? Look it up. There was a purpose to this.
Food
video,
colouring.
other than doing the experiments. I wanted to see whether modern kids'
Salt.
science kits were better or worse than the ones I had when I was a kid. Because when I was a kid, you got proper chemicals in there, like kind of serious stuff.
Dangerous stuff.
Yeah, dangerous
Mercury.
stuff. Mercury and stuff like
Well, in
that.
the 50s in America, they had those atomic kits, didn't
Yeah.
they? That had like uranium in.
Yeah.
And a Geiger counter.
Uranium.
Sodium bicarbonate.
Is there any citric acid?
I'm looking. Food colouring, another one. No, there's no citric acid. Oh no, this is it. This is it.
Right.
It's powdered.
So these aren't proper chemicals. These are fake chemicals.
No, they're real chemicals.
Well, they're not exciting.
They're on the periodic table, aren't they?
Well,
so
you're on the periodic table.
You're on the periodic table. You're ID. No, AD. A dickhead.
You're a pH.
Yeah.
You've got a weak pH.
Your pH is so weak. I can distill it.
You've got a weak panny. I don't know where I'm going with any of it. Right. Warning.
What do you say to gold? Hey, you.
What? Oh, okay.
That was a periodic table gag. You can tell your kids.
Paul Gannon is periodically amusing.
Right, so here we go.
Right, warning. Citric acid causes serious eye injury. Right, measure 5 millimeters of citric acid.
I'm going to put these on.
Oh, safety first.
Safety. Wish we had these in the last fucking video.
Oh, no. Safety first. Right, these are cups. Measuring cups.
I'm going to put gloves on.
5 millilitres
I'm going to put
of
gloves on
citric
because
acid.
I'm playing with fire.
Oh, my balloon.
You know what? Actually, I'm going to enjoy this. I like doing
There's
this.
another glove.
Right, here we go.
Yeah. Oh, it's a candle.
It seems
Would you like
to me...
Would you like to push this against my body?
No, why?
Give it a go. Oh, no, you can't hold a candle to me. So go on.
What's this?
Bum candle.
No, candle in the wind.
Hey! With the Pasteur pipette, which
Yeah.
sounds like a group of dancers.
But this is
The
powdered
Pasteur
citric
pipette.
acid. Is that all right?
Yeah, 5. Well, I don't know. Hang on, wait a minute. Do we have to? It doesn't say. Measure 5 millilitres of citric acid with a measuring cup.
5.
It looks like you
10,
just
so it's
put
not
it
that
in.
much. That's about 5 because half of 10.
That's well done.
Thank you.
AKA 50%.
In
Now,
this?
with the Pasteur pipette. No, what are you doing? It's in this one. Why are you transferring to another thing already?
I'm excited. It's science.
With the Pasteur pipette, add 5 drops of food colouring. Of the colour you like most.
You said green, didn't you?
Yeah.
I'm going to do it for you, love.
Oh, thank you. That's the one I like most. My wife is wearing green today. She has a tooth abscess.
How much? How many droplets?
Oh, of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I should film this, shouldn't I?
You should.
Now, ask an adult for table salt.
Do you have any table salt? So coarse salt, which is just a table salt. How much do I put in?
Oh, we've got salt, have we?
Yeah, coarse salt.
Well, no, it says table salt. Ask an adult for table salt.
Well, this is what you...
That's not table salt. That's
It's
some
the
sort of
same
coarse
shit.
salt. No,
It's
it's
the
not.
same
Okay, fine.
shit.
Just chuck it in.
How much?
5 mil. No, add 1 plastic spatula of
So
salt.
that's that one then. So that's that little
It might
thing.
not work if you do it like this.
It will. Shut up.
That's okay. Now that's just crystallised salt. Can we have table salt, please, dear?
Table salt, please, dear.
Because just know what you're doing with the pasta.
Doesn't matter
pipette.
about that. I'm pretty sure you meant to put it in here once you.
No,
pulled it
you're
out.
not. Look at this. Look.
Yeah, that's the measuring thing, and that's the cup. So that's that. So I
We
was
don't
right.
put that in yet.
Oh Christ.
Right. Oh, she's bringing over some table salt.
Here's some lovely soothing music while we wait for salt.
Science music. Oh, we have
Thank
it
you,
in
our lovely
a
assistant.
lovely, not in a sexist way. She's also a scientist, isn't she?
Is she?
Yeah. Yes.
How much? 1 scoop of this?
1 plastic spatula of salt to the cup. Right. Now, mix well with a wooden spatula.
Dun, 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 science in action. I'm mixing it. Oh,
it looks like you've made pickle.
It
Like
does.
a pickle relish.
Looks like I've made a pickly
How
thing.
to make pickle relish.
Right, now what?
Measure 5 millilitres of sodium bicarbonate with the small measuring cup. Small measuring cup.
5 millilitres, you say? Right, okay, 5 millilitres. Let's have a look. Oh, it's right there. There we go. 5. Add it in.
Imagine so. Wait, not yet. Now add it to the large cup and stir with a wooden spatula.
So add it to that.
No!
Oh, that.
Well, you're obsessed with that one. Why are you obsessed with putting things in
Because
that?
it just feels like wrong doing it in the measuring jug.
Well, it's what you're meant to do. This is looking good, actually.
It's looking good. Look at this. It's green. Science.
Now, the mixture of your fizzy bomb
Yeah.
must be dry but slightly sticky. If it is too dry, add some droplets of water. So
I think it's all right.
you think?
It's a bit sticky, isn't it?
Yeah, but is it? I think it might need to be put some coffee in there. Maybe we need a few drops of water. No,
Put coffee in. It's good.
coffee is not on the periodic table.
It is. CF.
Dear, you can see
Oh,
it.
there you go. It's sticky. Now
Right.
what?
Okay. Now you've got to make them into balls
Oh.
and leave a space between them.
With your gloves on.
Probably. Wet your hands. No, we need. Could we get a little bowl?
It says
of
with your
water,
gloves on,
please?
though, isn't it?
Little bowl of water, please, fellow scientist. Not
Lab assistant.
Lab assistant.
Lab
As in
assistant.
like, yes, like a lavatory. So we have to. Why are you getting more things that we're not told to get?
And you moved it. I'm just putting this in here, ain't I?
Don't we need to want this to make the balls?
Because you can't. You put the balls in the thing.
Now you can use that.
Right, all right.
Little bit. Now you've got to wet your fingers.
Right, here we go.
Here we are with a little bit of water.
It's a
So
little
to
bit
make
of
these
water.
into balls. Oh,
What?
I've seen part 8.
Right, and now I've got to make balls.
Yeah. I'm sorry, everyone. I've just seen what comes next.
Just a little bowl. He's a little bowl. Look at making a little thing.
Now, we probably should have read this
Right.
beforehand. Well, make your balls and I'll tell you what comes next.
Right, make me balls.
These look like snot. Okay, that's a mess. That one's a fail.
Shut up.
That's not much of a ball either.
Shut up. I've got gloves
It
on.
looks like-
dog.
it looks
Right, there
like-
we go. Science is
Right, ready for the
experiment.
next stage?
Yeah.
Now leave them to dry overnight.
Bollocks. I'm going to put one in then into the
No,
water.
wait, it's not.
Just
They've
one
not
will dry.
dried.
One will dry, and this one we'll use now. See what happens.
What a waste. Wait a minute. Let me at least video it before you chuck them.
Because something might happen.
Well, something
Ready?
might. Yeah. Well.
You filming?
Not yet. Patience. You're so. I've never seen you this
I
excitable.
want results, otherwise they'll close us
Okay,
down.
go. Oh, okay. Something's sort of happening. That's basically what's going to happen, isn't it?
We made a bath bomb.
Yeah, that's it, isn't it? I'm going to put the other one in. It's not coming out.
God, use your little stick.
Science, everyone! Science! Well, there we are. Now drink it.
I'll die.
Will you die? Bicarbonate of soda and salt. That's all that's in there. And food dye. Right, that's not going to kill you. They're not put. Then there's nothing
No,
in
there's
there.
nothing. But it
I'm gonna
might
drink
give me
a
the
bit.
shit. Don't drink it. It's bath salt, isn't it?
It's fine.
It's not fine. A grown man just ate bloody salt and food colouring.
It's fine. Honestly, I'll drink some more.
Tit.
You couldn't. Now I'm proving my point with that. You couldn't in the olden day drink anything out of a science kit. Now I could drink that and it wouldn't do me any harm.
I had a science teacher who used to make me drink stuff.
Okay, are you not mentioning Mr. Fiddler again or whatever?
No, he was PE. This is science.
God.
This is Mr. Hill.
Were there any teachers at your school that weren't
Hang on.
nonces?
No.
Well, that was a successful experiment.
It
wasn't
was.
boys
Now
and girls?
next. What do we do
Next, right.
So is this one?
Oh, that's a firework.
Magic cake sparklers, candle, iron powder, wooden spatula, aluminium foil. Match.
Did it come with iron powder?
Yeah.
Right, let's do it.
Let's do that.
Yeah. Okay. Experiment 2. Birthday cake sparklers. Candle. Iron powder.
Iron powder,
Wooden spatula.
wooden spatula. Do you want to be in charge of this one since I make the last one?
Aluminium foil. Yes, you can.
Right.
Candle. Iron powder.
Have we got aluminium? Aluminum.
Foil. And wooden spatula.
We got that.
Match lighter. Got that. Right, this is it.
We're all right.
Ask an adult to help you light a candle.
Thank you, assistant. Thank you.
Thank you.
Here we go.
Right.
I'm gonna
Ask
fill
your
this.
assistant to add with the wooden spatula a bit of iron powder to the piece of aluminium foil and fold it in half. God, now it looks like I'm doing
Cocaine or heat, what's it? Freebasing or something.
heroin or something.
Right.
Right. Ask your assistant to add with
You got a little. How much did you put on?
with the spatula. Oh, that
You
much.
put the whole lot in. That's probably not the best idea, so don't put it all
Right.
in.
Now ask your assistant to carefully add the iron powder over the candle's flame.
So you have to light the candle and then pour it onto
Just
the
put
flame.
that in on there or something.
Is that what you got to do?
I don't know.
Yeah, it just says pour it onto it.
That's it, isn't it? It's doing this. It's pouring it like that.
All right, well then do it.
Oh,
Set
I'll
fire
see.
to it. This is good. This is science. An iron powder, you say?
Iron powder. Oh! That's bad
There's a
science.
little explosion. Yeah.
Right, here we go. Oh, I'll do it this side so you can see it. Here we are, boys and girls. This is...
He just put it out.
I'll try that again.
Right, try it again. Just maybe a gentle sprinkle.
I
Don't
thought
just
I was.
gush it all on.
That's pathetic. Oh, fireworks.
That's all right, isn't it? No, don't set fire to that like that. That's a bad idea.
Is it?
Yeah.
That was disappointing, wasn't it? What are you doing there with the wax?
I was getting rid of some of the iron filings off it, wasn't I?
Well, it's not a Yankee candle. Did you know?
Did you know? Right, so we will come back on the test. Where are you going?
Get the volcano.
What? We can just take a break and do it in the interval. Ladies and gentlemen, we will close the labs and open them soon for more great Digi Science. Did you know?
Did you know?